In a sunlit kitchen, a curious teen demonstrates DNA extraction by mashing strawberries, adding dish soap, salt, and cold alcohol. The liquid foams and strands of translucent material wind through the solution, showing DNA visible as a glistening precipitate. Next, they harness a homemade solar oven built from a pizza box to melt sugar and carve edible glass, a safe chemistry demonstration. A quick pond observation uses a clear bottle to reveal capillary action as dyed water climbs a paper towel in slow motion. Finally, magnetic slime pulls a toy car along a track, illustrating magnetism and viscosity in one playful setup.